She's not.
Have you on it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
See, it's fine.
Is it toasted?
After some second, it will not pop up.
After one?
After some second, it
How many
will not pop.
seconds?
I
This is the first time this is something like this. Eh?
After I saw it, it was on.
Like you want to learn how to cook?
Yeah.
So what want to learn how to cook?
Toast. About.
Or what can you do by yourself? But you know you've not fried egg before. What can you do? Eh? You don't know what you can do, but you're doing toast bread now. Eh? It's a toast now. Eh, it's not still toast bread.
Okay.
At least you have done this one by yourself. This one's for who now?
Me.
Who has this one?
Me.
What of Zara now? Your
Because
sister.
I'm going to do mine because I have the thick one. Because that's
But the thick bread is inside.
Yeah.
That is not even dry very well.
I told you that.
Okay, right? Okay, it's not that brown.
Yeah, let's
But
look
if
it
you
to
increase it, it should be too.
Auntie.
Oh, yeah, increase
Auntie,
it to
put
let's see. How many? Is that in three?
Yeah.
Yeah, clean the plate very well.
Come. Cooking.
Have you turned it to number 3? Yeah, dry that plate very well.
See, the one from my sister. Because this is our music. Another one for my sister.
For your sister. For your kid sister.
That's my sis.
Your sis.
Yeah.
And you see your kid sister now.
That's what I used to call mommy. That's what I used to call you. That if you are calling, I'll see big sis.
Big sis. Okay, that is called me big sis.
Yeah.
Eh? Yeah, thank you.
See now, the thing has dry way.
Who has this one now?
Me?
But she's around.
Yeah.
Or
no,
you?
For me.
Yeah, do for your sister. Okay. Do for
Video.
her.
I mean, thank you for you.
Say.
Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you another day.
Bye.
And my mom went to come make it for
It's not
me.
me that make it. It's your brother that make it. It's Captain that made it for you.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
Kelsey that made this for me.
Look at the camera now.
It's Kelsey that made this for me. So, see you guys later. See you guys.
Bye. Guys, these kids amaze me a lot. You can imagine Kamsi, my 8 years old son, teaching me how to use a toaster. And this happened some days ago. I think on Sunday, I was trying to, see if I can, try to use that, because that's the first time for me. The first time I used it was some days ago. And like I said in my previous video, during my kitchen transformation video, this toaster has been with me since 2013. Somebody gave it, a friend of mine gave it to me as a gift, and since then it has been in this kitchen. I've not been able to use it. So until Sunday, my son said, Kamsi said to me that, Mommy, let me teach you how to do it. And I asked him, so where did you learn it? He told me that he learned it in his cartoon channels. I'm like, really? So, and this morning he said he wants to eat the toast bread. I said, okay, come and do it yourself. And to my surprise, he actually did it very, very well. Like I said, he taught me. And this morning he did the bread for him and his sister. Like, so I'm really amazed, and I've got to realize or notice that Kamsi loves to create content, just like his mom, who is a content creator. He loves to, like, the things that I do. He loves to be in front of the camera. In as much I always try to chase him away, but I noticed that he loves it. So I had to, frame him. He said, Mommy, please film me when I'm making toast bread. So I said, no problem, I'm going to do that. So he actually did the bread for him and his sister. And guys, right now, I want to prepare lunch. Chidema is not really around right now, which is my nanny. I don't know if you guys have seen her in my video. What about Chidema? Like, Chidema also loves to be in my video. So you guys should not be surprised. Then she will tell me that she wants to be doing this thing that I'm doing. Well, until then, though, so she's not around. She took permission to go get something for herself somewhere in my 12. So I granted her the permission, and she's gonna resume tomorrow. So today I didn't really go to work because I need to be with the kids, prepare lunch and all of that stuff that mommies normally do. Okay, so I'm supposed to prepare beans this afternoon for lunch. And oh, today is public holiday, guys. It's happy holidays to you all, and to our Muslim friends, brothers and sisters. Happy Salah to you guys, and I pray that this celebration will bring you guys peace, love, and happiness. Okay, so guys, I only want to cook beans, and there's a change of plan. My kids and my husband said they don't want to eat beans. Likewise, my younger sister as well. So there's a change of plan. In as much I wanted to prepare my husband this local food, yam and this thing, yam and this local pepper, yam and oil. They normally use pepper and onions to eat it, because yesterday I saw online where a food blogger was actually trying to make this local food, yam and oil. So she did put pepper inside and lots of onions and uba. So when I said, I'm like, oh, okay, this my husband would definitely like something like this. So when I told him that this morning, he said, okay, that I should go ahead and prepare it for him for his lunch this afternoon, because he doesn't like eating beans. So yeah, that's it. And my kids, and they said they don't want to eat beans. I should do that. That they want to eat that same local stuff, but I know they will not eat it. Especially my daughter Zara. Zara will not eat it. So since they don't want to eat beans anymore, I'm going to prepare the yam and the local oil sauce. Then maybe they might just want to give them, stew. I have some stew in the freezer. You get this video is already get this chit chat already getting too long. I'm going to cut it off right now so that I can, get straight to the cooking, because it's almost, in fact, it's lunchtime already and time has gone. So guys, let me carry you guys along, and let's see how the delicacy going to turn out to, to be. And guys, oh, I'm loving my kitchen. Loving the background of my kitchen. Can you guys I'm loving my kitchen so much, guys. I love the background. I love everything about this kitchen. Oh yes, allow me to blush, because I always, dreamt of, transforming my kitchen from the way it was before, and the way it is, and to the way it's looking right now. So guys, let's cook. Let's prepare lunch together, okay? Can you see the amount of yam that I wasted here? Guys, can you see? That's one thing with dry yam. When it starts to stay longer like this, it will start going bad.
See, Mommy, see.
It's still good. She can change this thing. you can see, my kitchen is looking all totally messed up. When I mean messed up, totally messed up. So, like, guys, everywhere is really, really messed up. So, people, I'm not showing you guys anyway, as you can see. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, if you do, give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Encourage me guys, like this video, share it if you can. At least for the fact that I've been so stressed of doing this for the past 2 hours. Or yeah, please support me, like, comment, let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. So guys, I'm going to catch you all in my next video. You all stay blessed and stay fabulous and have a beautiful day or a beautiful evening, depending on the time you get this, because I don't know what time this video will be up anyway. But then enjoy yourself and take care.